Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Fab 50s. So in today's video I thought I would share with you just a very gentle stretching routine. Great to do in the morning, can do these also in the evening if you just want to calm down and ready for sleep. So first things first, I like to stand with my shoulders nice and relaxed, and you want to be nice and tall. And I'm just gently placing my hand onto my tummy and breathing in very slowly to a count to 3 and holding that position. This will really help strengthen and engage that core. Now I'm first of all placing my hand onto my side of my hip, and I'm just very gently gliding down and along with my arm, just giving a nice stretch on the side here. Now you don't want to be leaning out, so keeping nice and straight, just a little gentle stretch and just hang. If you like, you can take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And then just gently come up, and then take the other hand and then just arm and just come all the way along to the other side. Lovely gentle stretch on the side here. Just hang, making sure the core is still engaged, and just gently come up. And then with the arms, we're just very gently just going in a wide circular motion. We're going one way first. Great for the shoulder. And then the other way. And then with the other arm, going one way. Nice big round circular motions. And then the other way. Again, making sure your core is engaged. And then with the shoulders still, we're just going to very gently move our shoulders in a backwards motion, releasing any tension. And then the other way. Just now going forward. And then back again, just so we're then recalibrating it and not sort of hunching forward. So now I'm going to take my arm here. I'm going to take my thumb, place it down, work across the front of the body here, taking my other hand and just gently pushing it towards me. You want to avoid your elbow and your wrist here, so if you can just go in between and get a really great stretch in this position. We'll just hold this for a few seconds. If you like, if you want a stronger stretch on this, you can turn your head very gently to the side. And gently come back out. So again, coming forward, taking our thumb, placing it down along the body, placing our other hand between our wrist and also between our elbow here. And just have a little gentle stretch here. And if you like, you just gently turn your head for a slightly stronger stretch. And then just gently come out of it. So now let's just work a little bit on the legs here. So I'm just literally taking my legs slightly out, and then you want to get one foot to the side at a slight angle. Now I'm not wearing any trainers, so if you're not wearing trainers and you're barefooted, if you can just spread out your toes for more surface area. If you're wearing trainers, that's fine. And then just very gently come out and just come along and just make sure that your knees are not going over your toes, and you should feel a stretch in your thigh here. Now I don't like to collapse into this, I quite like to come up fairly straight, so you're not putting too much pressure on your leg and your knee. And hold the stretch, and then come back up, come forward, slight angle with the foot, and just gently come forward. Again, engaging the core and not slouching into anything. If you hear a noise, it's my dog at the bottom snoring just by the by my camera here. And just very gently with the feet, just come up and just give it a little shake. Now I'm just going to just do a little calf stretch here. So I'm just lifting up my legs, first of all, and coming down. And we'll just do this a few times. Again, engaging the core. And then I'm placing one leg in front of the other, and then just gently bending my knee, so you've got a good calf stretch here. Again, engaging core, back nice and straight, and come round, and on the other side again, just staggering your feet here, and then just bending your knee, and then just you can feel your calf on the other leg. A lovely calf stretch. And come up and give it a little shake. So that's a very gentle, almost all body overall stretch. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're already subscribed, great, but if you're not, please consider subscribing for more content, and a thumbs up. It really does help the algorithm, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.